Sorry, Chair, to disturb the process. I think it's important that I put this message, which I received now, into the record.
Yeah.
As I'm eating there, I received this message from Paul O'Sullivan.
Yeah.
Get ready, you lying crook. I am going to make sure you spend some years in prison. You were bribed by Mkhwanazi and Mabula. Now you will pay for your crimes, guaranteed.
Yeah.
Sorry, Chair.
That is completely unbelievable. That is a message, that was sent to Nkabinde as he was testifying before the ad hoc committee. So obviously that is a threatening message, being sent to Nkabinde there. And the reason why, Paul O'Sullivan might have sent that message, is because of what Nkabinde said about Paul O'Sullivan. So there's so much, that Paul O'Sullivan didn't like as he was being exposed by Nkabinde. So what that might mean, is that what Nkabinde might have said about Paul O'Sullivan might have been true after all, because why would you threaten someone if he was lying? I feel like you would just rush to the courts and sue that person. Just like that bodyguard of General Sibia, who laid criminal charges against Mkhwanazi but didn't go anywhere anyway. So if someone is lying about you, it kind of makes sense, to lay some criminal charges, not to threaten someone. So this is what Paul O'Sullivan has said. And having heard this message, it's also interesting to take note, there is this old video from Montana as he was speaking during the State Capture Commission of Inquiry some years back, and he did reveal, that Paul O'Sullivan guy is kind of very dangerous, because he's the one, who gets paid the money to make sure that your sentence is cancelled or reduced or whatever it is, And it turns out this guy has a lot of like connections, within SAPS or whatever it is. So here he is, flexing his muscles or power, whatever it is. Can you imagine, to someone who is before parliament? So it's going to be very, very interesting, as to what is Parliament going to do about this. Because obviously the first thing that you'd expect, is that Nkabinde has to be protected. Because you do not want anything to happen to him, otherwise it would look bad to the ad hoc committee itself. And the second one is that they have to either call Paul O'Sullivan, to come and explain himself, but they have to do something, with regards to Paul O'Sullivan, because this cannot be allowed to just go on like that, at least is the way I think, I'll catch you guys on the next one.